Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft PowerPoint. In this module, I want to have a look at how to insert sound and how to record sound in a PowerPoint presentation. So first of all, I've got a title slide. I'll just do a title, Control Enter to come down, 1815, that'll do. Control Enter to get another slide. So just going to create a couple of slides, or one slide in fact, as I just want to do French forces on this one. Control Enter to move down into the next text box. So if I want to add sound, I've got two options. I can insert the sound from my PC, or I can record the sound and add it that way. So spell Napoleon right. It's only got one R. It's probably still pick it up as a spelling mistake. So they're the three bullet points I want. But let's say after this slide, I want some sound to play. After this bullet, should I say, I want some sound to play. So I'll go to the Insert tab, and then I click on the option, which gives you two choices: the audio on my PC or record audio. This one first. And then this gives me some sounds that I've already got, that I've had for a long while. So I'll have that one, a point, and then the sound appears there, and you can play the sound and listen to it. Or what I tend to do is I want this to hide during, I don't want to see this when I'm in full screen. I don't want to see that symbol, so just press escape. So I need to tick that option. So if I just go back into full screen, now it's not there, and I want it to play automatically in sequence. So it's in click sequence there, but I want it to play automatically, and I don't want to have to click on it. So what I'm going to have to do, or what I am going to do, is go to animations and get the animation pane on the screen. So at the moment that is there, but this text isn't. So I'm going to animate this text first. So I'll add animation, dissolve in, more entrance, dissolve in, because that's my favorite. OK to that one. If I open this, so I can see all the individual bullet points, I can then select this sound and move it to there. And then hopefully, if I put this into full screen, when I click, the first bullet comes in. When I click the second bullet, sound will play, and then it will play to the end. Now, obviously, because you can't see this, you can see it in design in this view, normal view, but you can't see it on the screen. So you'll need to be practicing your presentation slightly more, because you don't want to click off it too quick. If that was the last bullet on the slide and I forgot that there was a sound track to play, I may press enter and go on to the next slide, which would then stop that. I've done that myself in the past, so just be aware of that. Now, if you want to record sound, if I just click onto a new slide, so British Forces, Control Enter, Wellington, Picton, Uxbridge. That'll do. So same process, but this time you just record. So go to the Insert and same option, Record Audio, and then this, you can give it a name, Wellington, or whatever you want to call it. This is going to save to your PC, and then you can have it in your presentation. So if I just record, it's now recording what I'm saying. So you just record whatever you want to say, as long as you want to say it, and then when you're finished, press stop and then OK, and then you get the same little sound file coming in, and you do the same as we did before. Go to the animations, you add animation from this option, dissolve in, select dissolve in, okay, open up the two little chevrons, just click to deselect them all, and then move this to wherever you want it to go. So I'll put it there, and then whatever you said will play on that option. Now if I just double check I have got this set up right, so I need this to hide, and I don't want it on click sequence, I want it to play automatically at that point. So I've just done that in the wrong order, so I'll just push that back up there. So that's where I want it to play automatically. You can set different options if you wish, but that's how I want it. And if I put that in full screen, that should not be there now, and it isn't. So that's basically how you can add sound through your PC, or you can record it. And the last option, but I'm not going to go through it, is you can rehearse the whole presentation, and obviously that's going to record you and any comments, and you can also record the slideshow like this from beginning or from the current slide, and that will also give you the voice as well as a little picture of yourself. But that's all I want to talk about for this little session, so thank you for your time, and I'll see you on the next one.